Hello and welcome back to the Tasha Channel, where we typically thrift things. And this week I am here with an unboxing, and it is an exclusive unboxing. I literally ran out the house because I couldn't get it online because it was sold out. So I ran out the house like, let me go get this item. It is for the culture, so I had to get it because I am really digging Gucci. And yeah, so if you don't know, now you know, and if you don't know, then you should know. Like, yeah, so we just gonna jump into this unboxing real quick. It's Gucci. Oh my god, when I pull this out the bag, I'm so excited. Like, oh my god, when I saw the girl wrapping it up, like, I want to put, let me put it right here so y'all can see. I got it! I ran to the store so I can get this right here. Oh my god, I'm so proud of my city right now for this collaboration. And you know where it originated at, Detroit versus everybody, and I'm a Detroit girl, so guess what? You guessed it, I went and bought it. But I couldn't decide on the Detroit versus everybody or the Gucci versus everybody. And I was like, you know what? Nope. I'm going to stay true to myself and get... Oh, look at the paper. You see the paper? Ah, look at that paper. I'm crazy. I know. So let's open the paper. Oh, wait. It's got a little tape on it. Oh, my God. I don't want to tear the tape. Well, so that is it, and this is the shirt that I got. So I bought the Detroit versus everybody, and the back has the Gucci written down the back of it. So yes, and because I didn't know what size to get, I literally did have to go in the store and get it, and I got an, what is it? Let's see. The tag should be in here somewhere, but it is an extra small because they are, like, I think men's size shirts. But yes, it's in here somewhere, the tag. Anywho, that's the tag inside, and it should say extra small somewhere in here. Yeah, let's look into that. Make sure it's the right size, child. Yep, there it go. See that? Let's see. It is let me see if you can see. Focus. Extra small, so XXS. XXS. And look at that. Oh my god, I'm so happy with this purchase. I didn't care. I was going to run out and get it. Everybody was online talking about, oh my god, it costs too much and all this other foolishness. But is it a collaboration with Gucci? I mean, what did you expect? It was going to be $35, $45? Absolutely not. It was made in Italy. I'm just saying. So, I'm so proud of my city. That's what I wanted to say. And I was like, I'm going to do an unboxing for this right here because, I mean, what else would I do when I bought it? Like, I had to show y'all. I don't know where I'm going to wear this to. I'm thinking I'm going to wear it in the summer. And yeah, I don't know. I'm rocking it somewhere. I just don't know where and how yet. But I'm definitely going to rock my shirt somehow, somewhere, out on the ocean or something. Out there on the ocean. Listen, I'm crazy. I'm sorry. But yeah, and I laugh at my own jokes. But yeah. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe to this channel, share it with all your friends, and tell them to become a Detroit girl. No, just tell them that we on the map. And yeah, tune in for next week. Peace. Bye-bye.